Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to export Claude data step by step. Alright, so first of all, if you want to export a specific chat, just go on the chat, select any one of the chat you like, which you want to export, of course, and press Ctrl plus P from your keyboard if you are on Windows, and if you are on Mac, press CMD plus P. Alright, here click on this drop down arrow and select save as PDF. Now click on save and your PDF will be successfully saved to your computer. Now if you want to export all the data, like all the chat of your Claude, click on your account on bottom left corner and now click on settings. Alright, here go to privacy and now click on export data. Make sure you have selected all and after that click on export. Now as you can see, export started. After your export is done, you will receive an email. Check that email and download your data from it. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.